Last week, I closed a GDX trade for a 143% gain.
The gain got my attention.
And the process was the reason.
Here's what worked.
On the monthly chart, gold was becoming heavily extended above the 21 EMA, and momentum was beginning to roll over. On the weekly chart, the parabolic SAR had already flipped bearish, and momentum had started turning lower. That's what put gold on my radar. The entry came when price rallied back into the 4-hour 89 EMA from below. That became the trigger. As for the exit, GDX had fallen nearly 9% in a single day, and the 4-hour chart was becoming oversold. With expiration closer than I would have preferred, I decided to lock in the gain and close the position. The setup worked, but the goal isn't to copy this trade. The goal is to understand the process behind it. That's the framework I use for all of my trades. If you'd like to see that framework and the journal I use to track these trades, you can find the Market Arsenal spreadsheet linked below. Take what helps and go build your own arsenal.